Behold, this is another elevator here at the Engineering Innovation Science Complex in University of Middle Eastern Shore in Princess Anne, Maryland. So it'll be a reshoot today because it's been like a few years since I videotaped these elevators. We're gonna go up to 3. Two. This one has a 2-speed door, and the other has single speed, yeah. And they both have 3 doors, yeah. Oh, it's leveling. Now we go back to 1. Let's go get a cab, you. Man, this cab is totally big, man. I don't even know why I like this elevator so much. Certificates here, emergency phone button, capacity's 4,500 pounds, bigger than the other one. Let's go take it up for another ride. Two. We got 3. Now let's go back to 1. She's loving those buttons so much. Two. Here, 1. Switch gears. That's it.